This question is from Sunil Kumar Udupi. He asked, we need to remember Krishna all the time 24 by 7. How is it possible at night during our sleeping time? How to remember Lord Krishna 24 by 7? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. We have to remember, even during the daytime also, if we have to remember Krishna 24 by 7 means we need to do everything for Krishna. All our activities should be done only as an offering unto Krishna. So that's what, when Krishna told Arjuna in the 8th chapter, Tasmat Sarvesu Kalesu Ma Manusmarat Yudhyacha. In the 8th chapter, 7th slokam, Krishna told that all that time you remember me and fight. Sarvesu Kalesu Ma Manusmarat Yudhyacha. So you remember me and fight. So that means you fight for me. So how Arjuna can remember Krishna and fight? Only by fighting for Krishna. Then only he can remember Krishna. So like that, each and every activity, we should do it for Krishna. So that's why Krishna says that, Yat karosi tat kuruso madharpanam. Whatever you do it for me. Do it as an offering unto me. So sleeping is also an activity. So that activity we will do it for Krishna. We need to sleep for Krishna. So that way, we need to sleep enough. If we are sleeping enough, we are sleeping for Krishna. If we are not sleeping too much, if we are not sleeping too little, so that means we are sleeping for Krishna. So that's why Krishna says that Nati asnatastu yogosti nachaikanta manasnataka nacha atiswapna silasya jagrato naiva chadu. So atiswapna means sleeping a lot and jagrato means sleeping little, not sleeping enough. So both should not be done. If we do like that means we are not sleeping for Krishna. But if we sleep 7 hours, at least 7 hours, 8 hours is excellent. If you are able to sleep 8 hours every day, excellent. Sleep for 8 hours. 7 to 8 hours, not less than that, not more than that. So that at least that 1 hour, 7 to 8 hours, within that 7.5, 8, then it is good. That means you are sleeping for Krishna. That way you will satisfy that 24 by 7 you are serving Krishna. But if you are sleeping for 5 hours or 9, 10 hours, 11 hours, all such things, it is not good. Maybe in a day, someday you may have to get up early, you have to do something, or sometimes you have to come late. Maybe in a day or two, if you are sleeping little less, it's okay. But it should not be a trend. That should be, to the extent possible, it should not be like that. It should be avoided completely. So that's why then we can say that you are sleeping for Krishna. That way, 24 by 7, you are able to remember Krishna, serve Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Okay, Guruji. So many times when we hear that we have to remember Krishna 24 by 7, so what we understand is that maybe we need to leave our duties and remember. But as you are saying that we need not do our duties. If a student is a student, like he can study for Krishna, and if a person is going for a job, he can do it for Krishna. So that way he need not like avoid his duties, but at the same time he can do everything for Krishna, and that way he can remember Krishna.
Yes, especially even to do our day-to-day activities also. If we sleep enough, we will be very fresh and we will be very active. We will be able to do things in a very nice way. If we don't sleep enough, then we'll be feeling sleepy and we cannot do things very well. Especially for students when they are studying, if they have exam next day, and by science, it is proven, it is scientifically, what happens is that our memory power increases a lot. If we study before going to bed and study very well and sleep enough, have a good sleep and study everything beforehand, and just before going to bed, everything you revise, study everything and go to bed. And next day morning, you will remember everything. So this is science. This is, even you can refer to any scientific fact. So the memory increases a lot. We can, so that way one should actually sleep enough. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji. Yeah, so what you said is very valid point. Many times I have seen some friends, they will study till 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. and then during the exam, they will feel very sleepy. And if when a difficult problem comes, they can't even think about it. Yes, Guruji.
Exactly.
What I was asking, it was slightly different. What I was saying is that many times when we hear that we have to remember Krishna 24 by 7 all the time, so sometimes it scares the student. The student thinks that what will happen to my study if I have to remember Krishna 24 by 7? who will take care of
Yeah.
my studies. But as you mentioned it clearly, it means that we won't be avoiding our studies. We will still do our studies, or we will still do our job, but we will do it for Krishna. So that way we can balance both our studies and job, and at the same time remember Krishna. So thank you for that clarification, Guruji.